Here and we're back with another video, and today I got some Black Ops 2 gameplay part 3 or part 4. Part 3 or 4. And today I will be playing with my clan members, and I'm trying to join them so we can play, but I don't think they want to play. But yeah, we get this started. Yeah. Oh, they're on Plaza. I don't know. You see me rocking the Tupac emblem? Yeah. Let me invite them. I'm gonna see if I can invite them so we can play. I doubt they'll join. I doubt it. I doubt it. Alright, they're not joining. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna go online. Today I'll be rocking the pistol. The 5.7 class gold long barrel with flat metal jacket. And we're just gonna start this. Let's see. Let's go team deathmatch. I would be playing with my one of my best friends, but nah. Oh wait, there's a clan. I'm gonna ask him, can be clan war. I'm a clan war. Let's see. Clan war. Alright, I just sent a clan war message. I don't want to do this map. I don't like that map. I got a new setup now. It's random. Alright, ooh. Rocking the king emblem. Y'all didn't see none of that. I'ma just play because I'm really good at this game. I've only been playing it for a year and a half. It's going on 2 years I've been playing this game. I'm gonna be using a pistol. See how this rocks. Ugh. Got me a C4 on there too. Rocking a C4. Always gotta be someone in there. Gotta watch out. Ooh, first. Alright, I'm running. Oh, I could have picked off the guy, but I couldn't since I have a pistol. I'm using a pistol. Whole game. Oh, whatever. Alright. There's a guy coming on the left side over here. Can I pick him off? Oh, stole my kill. Let's get it. I don't like head glitchers now. I don't like them. Oh, shoot. Popped out of nowhere. I really don't like head glitchers. I don't. Because they get so many kills. Oh yeah. Go over that side. It's a guy come over this side. My kill. Oh gosh. I'm surprised if I get like a... You turned on, son. His bullets did not register. His bullets did not register. Now let's get it one more. I need like 2 more kills from my sentry gun. That's my goal. Oh dang, I'm doing pretty good. Especially with a pistol. This is what I normally don't do. Oh no. Oh, thank God that was friendly. I need backup. Oh, let's go. I've got no ammo, but I can't pick up this guy's hammer. Let's go. Oh, orbital vsat, let's go. Let's get it. I got a freaking vsat. Let's get it, bros. Let's go. Got a vsat first game with a pistol, bro. Let's get it. vsat on camera. An orbital vsat on camera. Let's go. Let's get it. Stealth chopper doing work for me. Let's go. Let's go. I got stealth chopper. I got everything. Oh, my sentry's done. My sentry gun's gone. Well, that lasted really good. Alright, I thought I got that kill with the pistol. That's alright. That's alright. I actually thought I got that kill. Okay. I'm trying to get last. Oh. Well, that was a good game. That was a really good game. This has been recording for almost 9 minutes. So, I'm gonna end the video right here, guys. Leave a like and a comment down below. Make sure you guys share this video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys check out my brother's channel. And I'm gonna see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.